Okay, so we're restocking fruit. I have learned that fruit in the glass jars lasts longer. I don't know how true that is. Greens. Oh, so this is something I haven't seen. Got the cold brew. Oh, and she even put a little doily under it. Oh, and the creamer. That's good. Those are two things I think I might need. We got the eggs. We talked about the eggs before. Now this is where I can't. I feel like if they see it out, they think that it's fair play. And they just take whatever they want. And I'd be restocking this every hour.